Good morning, students. Now we are going to see superposition principle. What is superposition principle? If there are more than two charges, more than two charges, what is the force on one charge due to all the other charges? Using this superposition principle, the total charge of a force acting on a given charge is equal to vector sum of forces exerted on it by all the other forces. Okay, this is the definition. See, one Q1 is a charge, another Q2, Q3, Q4. It is in a one system. Okay, what is the force acting on Q2? This is called F12. That means force on Q1 due to Q2. Okay, next, this is F13. That means force on Q1 due to Q3. Next, this is F14. Force on Q1 due to Q4. Okay, now we are writing equation. So what is the equation? Force on Q1 due to Q2 is equal to F12 equal to Q1 Q2 by R square 21 R cap 21. You take this is equation number 1. Okay, next, force on Q1 due to Q3. So we can write F13 equal to Q1 Q3 by R square 31 R cap 31. You take this is equation number 2. So force on Q1 due to Q4, that is F14 equal to Q1 Q4 divided by R square 41 R cap 41. You take this is equation number 3. So we can write F total equal to F vector 12 plus F vector 13 plus F vector 14 plus etc. F vector 1n. So I am substituting what is F12 K Q1 Q2 by R square 12 R square 21 R cap 21 plus K Q1 Q3 divided by R square 31 R cap 31 plus etc. K Q1 Qn divided by R square n1 R cap n1. So we can write F total equal to, taking K common, so Q1 Q2 by R square 21 R cap 21 plus Q1 Q3 divided by r square 3 1 r cap 3 1 plus etc. q1 qn divided by r square n1 r cap n1. This is called superposition principle. Okay, now we are going to see electric field. So electric field. Coulomb does not explain how the force is work. Okay, so Michael Faraday is one of the scientists. Given charge creates an electric field. Charge creates an electric field. It's given by Michael Faraday. That is, we take Q is given point charge Q naught is a test charge. So what is the force of attraction between these two charges? F vector equal to K Q1 Q naught divided by r square r cap. Okay, so here only Q. So F vector equal to, what is the value of K? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by r square r cap. The charge Q creates an electric field. The charge Q creates an electric field. So E vector equal to F vector divided by Q naught. So I am substituting the value of F here. You take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Substitute 1 in 2. Therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by r square Q naught r cap. Here Q naught cancel. What is the remaining? E vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square r cap. Okay, this is electric field. What is the unit of electric field? SI unit of electric field. Is Newton per coulomb. Newton per coulomb. How Newton per coulomb? See, F is a force and the Q naught is a charge. Therefore SI unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb. It is a electric field, it is a vector quantity. Electric field is a vector quantity. Thank you.